Namaskar. Myself, Dr. Ramesh Sharma, Associate Professor, Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JVW. Our last topic was sexual offenses, and now we will continue in this chapter perversions. In the perversions, we will now start it incest. Incest is most important according to the examinations. It is sexual intercourse by a man with woman who is closely related to him by blood. This typically includes sexual activity between people in a consanguineous relationship, that is, blood relations. It means people descended from the same ancestor, and sometimes those related by affinity, step family, those related by adoptions or marriage, or members of the same clan or lineage. In the incest, that will come daughter, granddaughter, sister, stepsister, niece, aunt, mother. This is prohibited in England and other countries and is recognized as offensive. Women's consent in this case is no defense and both of them, if above the age of consent, are punishable by law. Cases of incest do occur in India, but the police cannot take cognizance of such cases because Indian police care less in maximum female cases. Next is important view of the exam, sodomy. Sodomy is the anal intercourse between two males or male and female. Gerontophilia. Gerontophilia is the primary sexual attractions to the elderly in old age. A person with such a sexual preference is a gerontophile. The word gerontophilia was coined in 1901 by Richard von Krafft Ebing. Sodomy is very important view of the our examinations. So we will specially attention. And now Geron. Geron word means old man or woman. It is Greek word and phile means love. In the passive agent is adult. Pediasty. Pediasty, passive agent child or young boy catamite. Under section 377 of IPC, in order the acts of sodomy should be made punishable, it is necessary that penetrations, however little, should be proved strictly. An attempt to commit this offense is punishable only when an attempt was made to thrust the organ into the anus of the passive agent. Sign of sodomy. Sign of sodomy on active agent. This is almost similar to the that found in the male accused of a rape case. First is in a passive agent not accustomed to sodomy, sign of struggle if done without consent. Stain of blood or semen or both in or about the anus and clothing. Bruise, abrasions, excoriations, or slight lacerations of the anal mucous membrane may be found, especially if the passive agent is a young boy unaccustomed to such acts before. Characteristic gonorrheal discharge on cloth or near about the anus. Examinations of passive agent. In the passive agent, first, consent, history, degree of penetration. P with presence of third person, knee elbow position. Perineal and rectal swab, rectal bruising, fissures, inflammations, anal muscles dilated, tender, sphincter torn, prolapse. Digital examinations mean loss of elasticity, admitting finger, anal blood stents, lubricants, used fecal matters, pan on walking, abrasions 1 to 2 days, perineal hematoma in 10 days, and fissures being a long days like week or maybe month. Some are habitual passive agents. These are shaving anal hairs, anal skin thickened, extend deeper, funnel shaped depressions of buttock, loss of weight, complete relaxation of sphincter 5 centimeter tip, muscles losses, torn, anal fissures, piles, STD, specimen to be collected, head hairs, pubic hairs, blood group, urine drug screening, nail scraping for blood or tissue, swab, sole area of skin, anal, rectum, swab, penis of accused, inactive agent, smell of anal glands on penis, traces of feces and lubricants, abrasions of pupils, glands, penis elongate and constricted, twisted urethra, STD, HIV, one other buccal coitus that is called scene of Gomorrah. Male organ introduced into mouth of child, teeth marks and abrasions on penis, maybe death enduring aspiration of semen, impaction of penis in oropharynx, diagnosis is semen in respiratory tract and stomach. Tribadism. It is a form of sexual deviations known as lesbianism and in practice by a one woman on another. These women have some sort of endocrine problems. It involves a friction of the external genital organs by mutual bodily contact for the pleasures of sexual desire. It is said that in some instances an unduly developed clitoris is used as an instrument of passion, while in other cases some artificial devices is employed. This sort of sexual perversions is found among some women, though such cases have been rarely brought before a court of law. It is not unlawful act and is not mentioned under section 377 IPC. Some lesbian women can be so morbidly envious of such women with whom they are in love that they are sometimes incited to commit even murder. In such cases, clitoris may be found enlarged, external genital of these movements may show scratch marks, abrasions, teeth marks. It is the result of interaction of biological, psychological, developmental, and sociological factors. Bestiality. Sexual intercourse with lower animal by the human being, that is called bestiality. Domesticated farm animals or pets, cows, sheep, ducks, geese, donkeys, dogs, vaginal, anal. Villagers while grazing, mental derangement, false belief, cure of gonorrhea. Sign in accused, penis contaminated with animal feces, vaginal secretions, hair, tearing of glands, injury marks, teeth, kicks, claws, sign in animals, human semen in vagina, anus, abrasions, discharges. Another is the sadism. Marquis de Sade, French nobleman and writer, that is the gratification obtained from act of physical cruelty, inflictions of pain, bite, beat, beat, inflict cuts, lust, murder. Extreme cases, outbreaks of paroxysmal sexual desire, cutting breasts, genitals, eat flesh, intercourse with dying, injured victim, that is called necrophagia. Mental disease, anger, jealous, revenge, masochism. Leopold von Sacher-Masoch, Austrian novelist, stimulant for literary work with sexual gratification enhanced by suffering of pain, beaten, abused, tormented, humiliated, enslaved, bound, dominated by partner, bondage, sadism and masochism. Necrophilia, sadomasochistic foundation, desire for intercourse with cadavers. Offense committed on newly buried corpse, body awaiting burial. Cause may be mutilated following intercourse. Decomposition, stench, and coldness play a part. Fetichism, fetish, use of fascinating object for sexual gratification. Part of woman body, articles, underclothes, shoes, flower, mere act of stealing, fetish, affords satisfactions common in male. Transvestism or eonism, opposite clothing, Chevalier d'Eon, Limon Frenchman. Transvestite desires to be identified with opposite sex, males wear female dress, psychologically, individual attractions to opposite sex, violent against own sex, associated with homosexuality, sadomasochism, no hormonal disturbances, genital abnormalities, masturbation, deliberate self-stimulations which affects sexual arousal, offense only when practiced openly in the telephone booth, public toilets. In these cases, acts by male and female both. Exhibitionism, intentional exposures of private parts in public in presence of others, too often sexual figures, may include children or opposite sex, women in public, psychopath, neurosis, punishable offense acts, voyeurism, counterpart of exhibitionism. Voyeur means see people undress to be sexually gratified more in male. Sociopathic personality disorder, sometimes assault victims or commit